Hello Internet, today we are going to talk about how to set up and install games using DBI with the following methods. First, using a flash drive and an MTP responder and setting up or using an online shop. Okay, first up, we need to plug in our switch into your PC, and then with the files provided in the description part of the video, open up DBI, and then I would like you to copy the following files: DBI NRO, config, .star, and logs into your switch. Okay, open up the Nintendo Switch drive and look for the folder switch. Then I want you to make a folder and name it as DBI. We're gonna place all the files here. And with that, you have already installed DBI into your switch. Next, we're gonna be using your flash drive to install games. You need to format your drive into exFAT. NTFS is not recognized by Switch. Copy your games, XCL or NRO into the drive. Okay, get your USB-C to your USB female connector and then connect your thumb drive. After that, you plug it into your switch. Then you launch DBI. On your DBI, on the second option, you're gonna see their browse USB 0 drive. Pressing on that. Once you do, you're gonna see the games that you copied into your flash drive. I'm gonna try to install a game, pressing on A and pressing on A again. Okay, it's already done. If you go to the home page, you can see the game has already been installed. This might be the most easiest and the most simplest way for you to install games using DBI. Next, we're going to use MTP responder. Connect your switch to your device. Then go to DBI and choose Run MTP responder, and you're going to be seeing this page. Going back to your PC, you should be seeing the Nintendo Switch drive here. If not, install the latest USB driver using zadig. The link is in the description part of this video. We only need to install the game in the SD card install drive. You can also use NAND, but this is your internal drive, so we're going to use SD card for this one. So I'm going to paste or copy my game into this drive. And also you're going to see a load screen in your DBI as well. And that's it. Going to the home page, you already installed the game. Next up, we are going to install an online store on your DBI. First, go to this website and then register using a username and password of your liking. Remember the username and password that you used to register. Next, going back to DBI, I am on MTP right now and I'm going to my SD card. Going on switch and looking for DBI. Next, I'm going to open up my DBI config file using a notepad. Open it. And I would like you to look at the very last line of code. And then replace the last part with the username and password that you used. Next up, we're going to update DBI. For you to get the updated version, you can just refer to the link provided in the description part of the video. Unless your DBI is updated, the online store will not work. The only downside with this is, as of the moment, DBI is in Russian version. Going to the website, you just click on download, which is the latest version. So as you can see, it's only in the Russian version. Download dbi.nrl. Copy the file and then go back to your switch. Same thing, go to the DBI folder and replace the DBI config file that you have there. Going back to your switch, loading DBI. As you can see, DBI is now in Russian. And going to this part, let's verify the username and password just to make sure everything is correct. If you're sure about the username and password, you can just go ahead and press on the plus button or OK, and the device will connect you to the DBI or the online store server. Mine is already connected. So once you're connected, you're gonna see now the games available. It will populate the screen. So those are the available games. You just press A on the game that you want. Now, if you want to search the game, you just press on ZL and ZR simultaneously and just look for the game that you want. Okay, just chose a game here, and I'm gonna install it. I'm pressing on A. Wait for it, and then press for A again. And you're gonna see there a status bar telling you if the download or installation is complete. Okay guys, those are the 3 ways that you can install games using DBI. Feel free to leave any comments or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good one.